Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you shrimp rice pulao. I'm going to use cooked shrimp. These are peeled, deveined, tail on, and it's a 1 pound and I'm going to use a half pound. These are frozen. I'm going to wash it with the cold water that we can take out the ice. 1 cup Basmati rice and we're going to wash with cold water. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, ginger, garlic, black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, half teaspoon each, cumin seed and dry cilantro, dhania, 1 teaspoon each. I wash the shrimp with the cold water and this is how it looks. Basmati rice washed with cold water and I put it in a strainer. We drain the water and 2 cup water, and let's start making shrimp rice pulao. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. I'll bring olive oil. I'll bring butter. The butter is melted. We'll bring cumin seed. Mix it and we're going to cook it like a half minute. We'll bring shrimp. These are cooked shrimp. We just wanted to make sure that it's nicely coated with the butter. And once they soak the butter, then they will taste much better. Cooking for half a minute, I'll bring all the spices. Mix it well. Cooking for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring hot water. Mix it. I'll bring cilantro, dhania, mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and we'll bring the water to boil. The water started to boil. I added the hot water. It didn't take that long. So I'll open it. I'll bring rice. This is washed with cold water. Mix it well. Cover with the lid and cook it exactly 5 minutes. And timing is very important with the rice pulao. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring the gas on the low. And we are not going to open the lid. We're going to cook our shrimp rice pulao for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we're going to let it simmer. It's exactly 10 minutes cooking on simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas. This is really important. All the water trapped on the lid. We're going to make sure that when we're going to lift the lid, we're just going to lift and walk away. We're not going to tilt it so the water won't fall inside. Just open it and just walk away. Shrimp rice pulao is perfectly done. If I can show it to you. Wow, look at this. Each grain is separate and all the rice pulao is cooked to our perfection. And I'm just going to mix it just like that. I have my serving platter ready. That's my style of cooking. I'll bring my fry pan right on top of my serving platter. The shrimp rice pulao. Look at this. The pot is clean. We'll sprinkle some more cilantro on top of it. Our quick and easy shrimp rice pulao is ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.